All right, guys, so I am back from the second wash, and y'all, I went ahead and detangled while I was in the shower because my hair was so matted and so strained. Like the clarifying this rinse really strained my hair and it made it feel so dry. And I think I'm not blaming the product itself. I think I just didn't use it correctly. I saw apple cider vinegar cleansing rinse, and I'm just like, oh, I make apple cider rinse all the time. But I think the key word was, I'm sorry, not cleansing, clarifying rinse. And I think the key word was clarifying. And I've stayed away from clarifying stuff for a while now because of what just happened today. Most of the wash that I use or the shampoos that I use are very hydrating because my hair is I have a 4C textured hair, and it's so coarse and so drying that I just try to keep it as hydrated and moisturized as possible. And I feel like clarifying things just strip all of the oil off it and shrinks it to where my hair just was trying to hold on for dear life. Ooh, that was tough. So literally when I went back into the shower to try to add more moisture to it and then detangle in the shower, because I knew it was going to be almost impossible to try to detangle outside of the shower without like getting a headache and getting all stressed out. I finally did it, and whoo, I finally did it and I survived. A lot of my hair did not. If I show, y'all, this is the amount of hair that I lost today in the shower. Like, literally, like, this could be a full bang. This is the amount of hair I've lost. And I'll show you really quick the normal amount in another clip, but this is very unfortunate. Like, this is not fun at all. So I clearly know that something went wrong. The thing with natural hair journey is literally it's a journey. So you go over like hurdles and bumps and dips and rocky roads and all kinds of stuff. And this was one of those hurdles and bumps and dips and rocky roads, like all in one. That's crazy, y'all. So now that we're over that, like I said, I won't blame it on this. I think I just did not use it properly, the best possible way. I think I read that you put it on your scalp and your hair. I think it also depends on what kind of hair you have. If you do have coily, kinky, drying hair, especially if you're in the 4C category, I think you really want to keep this to your scalp. Try not to get a whole lot of this onto your hair. And also do as much detangling as possible. Y'all saw when I put the Cowash product in my hair was really, really detangled. So I thought that this wash was gonna be so easy and so effortless, and I was gonna lose just a little bit of hair. This really changed the game. It was just like, no, actually, you're gonna lose a lot of hair, and it's gonna be one of the worst wash days you've ever had. So yay! That's why this spout is on here. If you do want to use this, detangle, section your hair, and get this just on your scalp as much as possible. Some probably will run onto your hair, and that's fine. But just make sure that you have a really good conditioner handy so that you can really apply that moisture back on, because this is going to really get all of that moisture out. So yay! So let's jump right into the styling process. All right, guys, so I think I'm going to finish the rest of this off camera. If you haven't already, go ahead and press that subscribe button to catch more videos and to watch this hair growth process. Until next time, thank you again, guys. So something to keep in mind, guys, as we know, this natural hair journey is new for a lot of us. Or even if you've been doing it for 10 plus years, it's still new to the generation. So there's still a lot of things that we can learn, a lot of products that we're still getting used to, as well as still developing, a lot of tools that we're getting used to as well, a lot of techniques. So don't let this deter you when you do have hiccups like a whole lot of hair loss or tangles or just things that just make you so frustrated that you end up wanting to cut off your hair or just give up or perm it or whatever. Just know that this is kind of part of the process, even though you have to go through all of this in order to figure out how best to take care of your hair. Just know that you will be helping the next generation. They won't have to go through all of this trial and error. So just know it's all worth it. Enjoy the process, guys. Enjoy the process and try to keep your hair. Okay, bye.